Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Alicia and welcome back to a new college professor video. So hey you guys, for those of you who are new, clicked on this channel, don't know who I am Alicia, Dr. Dawson in the professional world. And this will be my fourth going into fifth year of full-time teaching in higher education. So I work in the social work department and I love what I do. I love being an educator. I could not see myself doing anything else but teaching. So I like to make these day in the life of college professors video just as a little inspo, and also for anyone who's interested in teaching, maybe one day stepping into higher education, whatever the case may be. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a big like. So tomorrow is actually my very first day back for the fall semester, fall 2025. You guys, this summer went by so fast, but yes, the semester is upon us. And if you guys could tell from the title of that video, I have a new work bag that I want to share with you all. We're actually going to unbox it with one another. I'm going to put some accessories on it. I'm going to show you guys my new work, Stanley, and all kind of fun stuff. So I'm very excited for this video. So before I show you guys my new bag, let me show you guys the most current bag I have been using. It's a black owned bag. So this bag is in the size medium and I absolutely love this bag. It does come with two long straps, as you guys can see, because I like to wear it like this, or I'll just put it like as a crossbody across my body, but it holds a lot. As you guys can see, I have so much in here. This actually used to be my carry-on bag when I would travel on the airplane, but here recently I have just been carrying it to work. This bag has gone through it, guys. I don't know if you guys could tell on the camera, but she's pretty banged up. I mean, she's been under the seat on the airplane. She's been to work. So I said, you know what? It's time for a new work bag. But I knew I wanted to get another Telfer just because how in love and functional this bag is. So that is the new work bag that we will be unboxing today. So let's just jump right into it. This is my new dream bag, my new work bag. I'm so excited. Let's unbox her and put her together because again, I do have to go to work tomorrow. So yeah, let's do this together. So as you can see, she does come in this little dust bag, which I like. It definitely keeps her clean. It's great for storing her when I'm not using her. Okay, let's see it. She is beautiful. I feel like it's my first day of school, like honestly. Look at her, she's so beautiful. As you all can see, she is black patent leather, okay? I will say these are like genuine leather bags. Also, these are made to last, so you will pay for what you get, right? These bags do cost a little penny. They're not as expensive as Marc Jacobs tote bags, but you know, they're gonna cost you over $100. I'm so appreciative though, because I did not pay for this bag. Someone most graciously bought this bag for me because they knew I wanted it, and I'm so appreciative because yeah, this bag, I think this bag is like $200, almost $300. So yeah, but she is my dream work bag, so I'm just so thankful. So as you can see, she does have the long straps, and the reason I went with black is because as you all saw from that silver bag, the silver just got banged up, and I'm like, you know, the black, you're not going to be able to see any blemishes as well, any scratches as much. And also my university colors are red and black, so this is just very on brand that I have a black bag. So let me show it to you all. You probably are thinking like, oh my gosh, this looks smaller than the gray one. Oh, I thought the same thing. I'm like, wait, did they change the size? But it is the same size. I just have to put things in it for you guys to see that it is the same size. But this is what it looks like. It does have the little Telfer tag right there. Okay, let me show you all what will go in here for tomorrow. So first off, I have my class textbook. It's called Direct Social Work Practice. I am teaching a generalist practice course this semester, so this is the textbook that goes with it. I do not carry this textbook every day, but because tomorrow is the first day of the class semester, I will be bringing this with me. So I'm going to pack this. And then also I just have my good old brand new notebook that I got from Walmart for 25 cents. It's purple and it matches my purple filing folder that I've had for a couple semesters. I just keep reusing this because it's sturdy. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree years ago and it's so pretty. So we're about to go ahead and put these in. Yeah, this textbook is going to give some weight to this bag for sure. Okay, next up, let me show you guys my new pencil pouch. I saw this at TJ Maxx. It was actually $5.99. As you can see, it's pink and this dark gray color. It is dark on the inside, so that's good. But let's take this out because I do have some new pens and pencils I want to show you all, and I need to put them in here. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I got me some new goodies. First pack, these are the Bic brand, and they're the pens that glide. These pens are like so buttery soft when you write. I really do love these. So when I seen they had these for $1.25, I definitely grabbed me a new pack of these. I did get me 2 new highlighters this year. As you can see, I just went with the original yellow and I got a pink one. They were both $1.25. And then another pen that I found, because I do like to have a variety of black and blue pens, so I went ahead and got another Bic pen. As you can see, this is in the color blue. Again, it was $1.25, so I went ahead and grabbed this. And then the last thing is I did get me a new pack of mechanical pencils. Love these colors. They're very pastel. I don't use pencils as much, but I still do use pencils. So I definitely like to keep pencils with me. So I'm about to open these up and put these in here. And I use pens like every day, guys. I'm always like signing something or writing notes. So pens and pencils are like mandatory for me as an educator. Definitely comment down below and let me know, do you guys use pens and paper? Well, because I teach in person, guys. I'm pretty sure like if you're an online educator, you probably don't have the need to write as much. But me being an in-person, having in-person courses with students, I'm always writing. So there we have it. Oh my goodness, I love this. It's so cute. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna put this pencil pouch in this little zipper part because this does have a zipper. And I did forget to tell you all that this does have a clasp on it, so you can clasp it together. Perfect. This is what it's looking like so far. It's definitely filling up. Okay, something that's really important to me as an educator that I have to have is like a little cosmetic bag in my work bag. What I realized though just now is I forgot to buy a new like little cosmetic bag to put in my new Telfer bag. So for tomorrow, I'm just gonna use this, which this is way bigger than a cosmetic bag that I would want to use. And this is a little too fancy to be using as a cosmetic bag, but it'll work for tomorrow. But let me show you guys what I'm going to put in my cosmetic bag. Gotta have some smell goods, guys. So I have these little traveling size. This is Versace. Then we have the Valentino, and this is in the scent Donna. This smells amazing. So I'm definitely gonna put both of these in my cosmetic bags. And then of course I gotta put some lotion. So I just have this little Victoria's Secret Vanilla Bean. So I'm gonna put that in here. And I don't have the lip gloss that I wanna use right now, but I'm actually gonna put a lip gloss in here as well. The only other thing that I'm gonna put in my cosmetic bag is some new hand sanitizer. These are usually $1.95, but they were on sale for $1. I did grab 3 of them. 1,000 Wishes, Champagne Toast. But this is a little different because this is like a moisturizing hand sanitizer. So I think I'm actually going to pack this tomorrow because yeah, it smells very good. I'm going to put that in here. And I use hand sanitizer at work so much. Every time I leave the classroom from teaching, I'm making sure to go to the bathroom, wash my hands, and sanitize because I mean, teaching around so many people, so many students, I mean, it's life, you know, germs are going to come about. So you really do have to make sure that you have hand sanitizer and that you're washing your hands really good because you do not want to take any germs home to your loved ones and also to yourself if you gotta teach, right? Okay, so that's it for my little cosmetic bag. Again, I'm going to probably get on Amazon and order me like a little $5 bag that's not as exquisite as this. So we're gonna put that in here. And actually, guys, that is all that is going on the inside of my work bag. Now we just got to put something on the outside. You know, I feel like the new trend now is like bag charms and all those cool stuff. So I wanted to do that also with my new work bag. Okay, let's start off strong with my new Victoria's Secret keychain and wallet. So these are called like wristlet. So this is the cheetah print, super cute, super sparkly. It does have gold accents. And the great thing about this wristlet is it has this, so it clips on super easy to anything that you need to clip it onto. And then next up is I got a new little card holder. Of course, it has like the gold accents, and it also also has the ability to just strap onto anything that you needed to clip onto. So the wallet was $20, this was $25, but I did not pay that. I actually caught it on a sale. They were buy one, get one half off. So I definitely paid a lot cheaper than I would have if I bought this regular price. But I definitely wanted to get one of these because I want to put my work keys on here. And then I wanted one of these wallets because I want to put my work ID in here. I'll show you all. So here's my work ID. So I'm just literally going to put this. I would show you my picture, but period. So there we have it. My little work ID is going to stay in here now. And then let me show you guys my keys. I actually have 3 work keys. I have 2 work keys. I have 2 to like get in my office, and then I have 2 that go to my desk. So I have a lot of work keys. All right, so here are my work keys on my new keychain. And don't worry, of course, I'm gonna take the tags off and everything. But this is how it looks. So just imagine like if you're on campus and you have to run to the restroom really quick. Like, these are why these wristlets come in handy so much, because you can literally just put this on your hand and walk around. And this is great because if I don't want to take my work bag with me, but I need my keys and I need my ID, I have it handy right there. So I definitely recommend these. I use these for my car keys, which are great. These come in handy, which they sell these on Shein. They sell these on Amazon. But me personally, I just like the Victoria's Secret brand. But yeah, but I love the black because I mean, I have a new black bag. So it was only right that I got the black wallet with the cheetah. I like to keep my work aesthetic very like grown woman, very, you know, very classy. I don't like to do a lot of pink or, you know, things that I like to do like in my personal life. Me personally, I just like to separate the two. This is my first time putting it on her, so let's see how it does. Oh, it did great. There it is. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I'm so excited for the first day of school. I feel like this is like my first day of school. Like, we do have one more item to accessorize my bag with, so let me show you. Yeah, so this brand is called Piper K, and this came from TJ Maxx. Or did this come from Marshalls? No, actually this came from Marshalls, and it's a bag charm. It is an apple. It is a very glittery apple. This was $20, but I feel like this would be so perfect to accessorize on my bag because again, my university colors are red and black. But definitely comment down below and let me know if you have been accessorizing your work bags as well, because I would just like to know. I want to make sure I'm not the only one. Because you know, even though I said that I don't like to bring like certain parts of my personality into work, there are indeed some parts of my personality that I will bring into work, and just having a stylish work bag is definitely a part of that. If you don't know, I have a collection of handbags. I love purses. So stuff like this is just so fun for me. But look at that, guys. That is so beautiful. Look at the little leaf. You know how the old tales are, you know, the kids used to bring an apple for their teacher just to symbolize them saying thank you for being a great teacher. So I just felt like that was very on brand for me as a professor, right? I'm just going to stick it on my wallet and my keychain. That is so cute, guys. What do you think? Oh, that is definitely on brand for my school. I love it. Okay, let's try it on so we can get a really good view of it. Very nice. Oh, this looks so good. I am so excited about tomorrow. I'm so thankful for my work bag. This is great. I love the accessories on it. I love the wallet, the charm. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you all think. Again, this is crossbody style. This is my favorite style to wear this bag. This is not heavy at all. And then on some days, if I have a lot of things in my bag and I don't want to carry it as a crossbody, I would just carry it right on my shoulder. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is my work bag. This is all I plan to carry with me tomorrow. I do not plan to carry my MacBook with me, but I'll go ahead and put my MacBook in here just so you all can see for reference what it looks like. It definitely puts more weight onto the bag, but again, it's still comfortable. So as you can see, there's my bag with the MacBook. It's still great. Okay, so now that we're done with the bag, let's switch gears and let me show you all my new work cup. So this is my new work Stanley. This is the Stanley that I have been using, but as you can see, this one is so cutesy and I was carrying it at work, but I just felt like I wanted to use this one more for my personal life and I wanted to go ahead and switch and get a new Stanley. She is a 30 ounce in the color cranberry. I purchased her from Dick's Sporting Good about a week ago. She was about $35 and all her accessories have come in. So let me show you. She has a black boot on on the bottom of her that I got from Amazon, and it matched the straw topper that I got from Amazon as well. And then this little black and gold scarf carrying handle, I got that from Amazon as well. And then when I turn her around, this little A sticker, which of course is for my first name, Alicia, I also got her from Amazon. They all like came in a pack, which is great. And this pearl accessory is not actually an accessory. It's actually a necklace that I've been having for a while. And I added her to my Stanley because I thought that that would just make a great touch, and it definitely did. It's very cute. But let me show you the best parts of this cup. It is my name tag. As you all can see, it says Dr. Dawson. It is a 3D tag, cursive tag. And y'all, I got this from Amazon for like $8, and I feel like it makes the perfect touch to my cup. I love it so much. So if you stand back, like this is what the cup looks like. It's so cute. And I definitely carry her by her handle. It's just more functional that way instead of like storing her in my bag, you know, because Stanleys do leak, unfortunately. And I do have a seal-proof accessory on there under the lid, so that does help. But sometimes your Stanley still will leak. So I definitely like carrying it with a handle. And as I've been saying, it definitely goes with my school colors, that red, white, and black. Definitely comment down below and let me know what you think of my new work Stanley. Hey guys, editing Alicia here. Let me show you all the cosmetic bag that I got. I know I told you guys I'm gonna get a new bag. So I actually went to Hobby Lobby, ended up finding this bag for a little under $5. I think, matter of fact, I think it was like $3 and some change. And the material on it, even though as you guys can see, it looks dirty, but that's because of the material that it is. But honestly, this is perfect because it's not too big, not too small. As you can see, I still have my things in here. And it zips up and it's black. So, you know, even though it is getting dirty, it's fine. Like that's what it's made to do. That's what cosmetic bags are for. So I definitely want to show you all this in case you're looking for an option. Definitely check out Hobby Lobby. They have better looking bags than this, but again, I didn't need anything too fancy, so I just went ahead and went with this. So hopefully this video gave you some inspiration for your new work bag if you are on the market for a work bag, or just some inspiration of how you can accessorize your life as a college professor or someone who works in higher education. Definitely stay true to yourself when it comes to your work bag and make sure it's functional for you. Even though this is my newest work bag, I definitely still intend to use my book bag that I have, especially on days when I know I need to bring my MacBook because that's just a lot more sturdy on my back. But for days like tomorrow, it's the first day, it's a really chill day, I definitely plan to bring my new black Telford. So for those of you who are watching and you also teach in higher education, I am just wishing you the best first day back for your fall semester. And I also wish the best for any students who may be watching. I hope you guys have a great and successful semester, guys. So that is it for this college professor video, but I do intend to film tomorrow for my first day back. So definitely be looking forward to that upload. I'm excited, guys. I really am. I'm super blessed again to be going into my 5th year. I can't wait to bring you all with me tomorrow for my first day back. So thank you all so much for watching. Again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, but I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.